In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your KFC app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up the KFC app. Now, once it loads, we need to scroll down and click onto where it says more, bottom right hand corner of the page here. And then on the top right hand corner of the page, it will say sign in. Go ahead and click on sign in. And now, depending how you've signed in the past or created your account, if you've signed in using an email address or created an account using an email address, put in your email address here, or sign in with your Google account, Facebook account, Apple account. I've used my email address, so I'm going to jot that in here. And now I'm going to click on sign in. Now it's going to take me to where I need to put in my password, or it's going to send me a confirmation code. So I'm going to grab that code now. So here's that code. So I'm just going to put that back into my app. Now from here, I'm going to click on submit, and be sure to do this within, 3 minutes. Otherwise that code will expire as well. If it does, just go ahead and click on resend code, and now click submit. And there we go. I am now signed in. I'll go to the bottom right and click on more, and you can see sign out. That means I'm signed in, and I can go to my account and have a look around or even start a new order.